Undeniable signs of life in the universe. Earth contains all the necessary elements necessary for life in its biosphere. That supports all forms of line within it and protects them from harmful radiations from outside as well. In our vast universe, there are countless galaxies, and each of them have a habitable zone. Just like Earth, that could host some form of life that could thrive in the prevailing conditions. With our ever-advancing technology, we have discovered some undeniable signs of life outside the Earth, and we continue to do so each passing day. In this video, we will see the hotly debated discoveries of life beyond Earth. Hello, and welcome to Factpedia. Are you really excited to know about the undeniable signs of life in our universe outside of Earth? Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload an awesome new video. We have compiled the list of the most trusted signs of life in our universe, from Mars to Jupiter and beyond. Get ready for a knowledgeable journey across our universe. Let's begin from 10. Number 10. Chemical signatures on Mars. In 1976, the Viking Mars lander discovered chemical signatures that established the presence of life on the Martian surface. The Viking probe mixed the Martian soil with the nutrients that are radioactive carbon labeled. The results yielded a positive result. The Viking probe was also equipped with other scientific tests that are designed to study the possibility of life. These tests could not establish a positive result. NASA declared the first result as false positive and declared the mission that it failed to establish the signs of life. However, the scientists still justified the positive result and believed that the biological experiments on board the Viking probe were ill-equipped to detect the traces of biological substances, which are key indicators of life. Number 9. Wow! Signal from another galaxy. In 1977, the experiment conducted by Ohio State University Radio Telescope detected a signal that is approximately about 30 seconds long, and the frequency recorded was within the radio frequencies used on Earth and is banned for use. Scientists believe that the signal originated from across our galaxy, either as a result of some natural phenomena or the aliens equipped with some really powerful transmitters sending out radio signals to experiment. Either way, the signal remains mysterious and unexplained till date. Say wow to aliens out there. Number 8. Fossils in meteorite. In 1996, the NASA scientists announced that there was fossil evidence of microbes in the potato-shaped lump of rock that is said to have blasted off the Martian surface as a result of some collisions, and the meteorite would have reached Earth after it circled in space for millions of years. Careful analysts revealed that the rock contained organic molecules and tiny specks of mineral magnetite, sometimes found in Earth bacteria. Under the electron microscope, NASA researchers also claimed to have spotted signs of nanobacteria. The discovery has since been challenged that the fossils are the contaminants from the Earth. What's more, supporting this challenge is that the scientists are able to grow the nanobacteria in laboratories. Number 7. Drake equation. The U.S. astronomer Frank Drake developed an equation to help estimate the intelligent extraterrestrial life in our galaxy that may have the ability to communicate over long distances as we do. The equation uses 7 factors to multiply and arrive at a result of the planets hosting intelligent life in our galaxy. The equation uses factors like the formation rate of stars like our Sun and our solar system, possibility of planets in a star, possibility of Earth-like planets in every star, possibility of a planet on which life develops. The equation yielded results in the range of a few thousand, which is highly debated and objected as the science community is subjective of the factors that are used to arrive at the numbers. The science community believes in the possibility of a few hundred Earth-like planets which could possibly host intelligent lives. There are possibility that the nearest such planet is a few hundred light years away from us. Number 6. Jupiter's moon, Europa. Researchers believe that the red tinge of Jupiter's moon, Europa, is due to the presence of microbes. Though the surface is mostly ice, data shows it reflects infrared radiation in an odd manner. That suggests that something, magnesium salts perhaps, are binding it together. But no one has been able to come up with the right combination of compounds to make sense of the data. Scientists are able to record a similar pattern of infrared spectra of magnesium salts in some of the earthly bacteria found in extreme weather conditions. Considering the Jupiter's moon being at negative 170 degrees Celsius, the microbe would be buried inside where the temperature may be suitable for their life, and the geological activity in Europa might put them out to become dormant in a flash, thereby resulting in a red tinge. Number 5. Radiation-proof microbes on Mars. In the year 2001, the Russian scientists discovered the microbe on Mars called Deinococcus reurans, a microbe that could survive more radiation than a human can bear before it causes death. Since there is no atmosphere protecting Mars from harsh radiations that come from all parts of the galaxy, these microbes are exposed to so much radiation in a very short time. And on Earth, it takes between 1 million and 100 million years to encounter each dose of radiation. Therefore, there just has not been enough time in life's 3.8 billion year history on Earth for such resistance to have evolved. Number 4. Life on Venusian clouds. Venus, searing hot, acidic surface may be prohibitive to life, but conditions 50 kilometers up in the atmosphere are more hospitable and moist, with a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius and a pressure similar to Earth. The data from NASA's Pioneer and Magellan space probes and from Russia's Venera Venus lander missions indicate the possibility of presence of microbes on the Venusian clouds. Solar radiation and lightning should be generating masses of carbon monoxide on Venus. Yet, it is rare, as though something is removing it. Hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide are both present too. They are known to readily react with each other and do not exist unless otherwise it is being produced constantly. Most mysterious is the presence of carbonyl sulfide. This is only produced by microbes of catalysts on Earth and not by any other known inorganic process. Now, let's get down to the most exciting part of the video, the top 3 of our list. Ready? Number 3. Sulfur traces on Jupiter's moon, Europa. The sulfur compounds were first detected by the Galileo space probe, along with evidence of a volcanically warmed ocean beneath the moon's icy crust. The sulfur is left behind as a waste by bacteria present on the icy lakes of Antarctica on Earth. The bacteria survive in the water below, and similar bacteria might also thrive below Europa's surface, the researchers suggest. Other experts rejected the idea, suggesting that the sulfur somehow originates from the neighboring moon Io, where it is found in abundance. Number 2. Methane on Martian atmosphere. In the year 2004, scientists were able to detect signs of methane on the Martian atmosphere using the European Space Agency's Mars Express probe and various other telescopes in Earth. On Earth, almost all of the methane is generated as a result of metabolism in microbes, such as bacteria. The gases on the Martian atmosphere disappear into space, and to detect its presence, it has to be recent. The scientists were also able to detect formaldehyde that is the result of oxidation of methane. Scientists will be able to confirm these data once they could take the necessary probes to identify and research further. Number 1. Mysterious radio signals. In 2003, scientists from the project CETL decided to examine as much as 200 sections of the sky where there would be possibility of life and had previously yielded unexplained radio signals. The signal, widely thought to be the best candidate yet for an alien contact, comes from a spot between the constellations Pisces and Aries, where there are no obvious stars or planets. Curiously, the signal is one of the frequencies that hydrogen, the most common element, absorbs and emits energy. Some astronomers believe that this is a very likely frequency at which aliens wish to be noticed would transmit. If you find this content useful, consider giving a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And once again, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We hope you enjoyed this awesome video, and stay safe until we come up with another awesome video like this.